Okay, this is my 1967 Chevy Impala. Baby, I've had it for, I'm a second owner. I had it for maybe 4 or 5 years now. Second owner. I did all this up with the all around 4-wheel disc brakes. 20s, I want to be different. I put black ones on, the black and chrome. Interior redone, carpet, speakers in there. All the front was redone. It's my first video, so not expert. Hardest thing to find for a 4-door, which I do, I want a 4-door, I love 4-door, is finding a molding for a 4-door. Impossible. I've searched everywhere. If you have any insight, please shoot me an email or something. Went back with the original color for it. With the LED tail lights. Full view. Show the engine now.